My stupid dog got her head stuck in the cat flap and ripped it off the door.
That's the cat flap! Pickle! Pickle! What did you... That's the... Oh my god, I can't believe you. Pickle! No, it's still on there, I can't...
Oh, what have you done?
Oh, Bear.
Oh.
Bear.
He's laid on my mum's hairbrush and it's freaking tangled in his tail. Oh. We're gonna have to do a doggy surgery, buddy.
Cheese! Bro! I dropped it on the floor.
We're gonna go see Dad. Did somebody get their bone stuck to their jaw? Yeah. Good thing Dad's an emergency vet.
Charlie, serious. Charlie, Santa. Salute. Charlie, stand. Charlie, salmonella.
What the f*** are you doing up there, you dickhead of a dog? You can't get down there, can you? You thick twat of a thing. I should leave you up there for stealing my pizza.
Katy, ¿qué te pasó? A ver, ven, Katy.
It's a gift. Oh, there's another one. Oh my god. How many heads could go through that?
Now, the brown one's Bunsen! What's up, lad?
Can come up here and let me dog out this morning. The cunt's on top of the fucking kennels. How the Oh, you dopey cunt. What the fuck? Come here.
Sit! Paw! Paw! Paw, man! Paw! And other paw. Good doggy.
The dog I thought I was getting. The dude I got.
Hey! What the f***? You fucking hit, which would be a fucking dream come true. Everybody else would be fucking sad.
Do ba 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 do do.
Oh my god, you know what? This is really scary. Oogly boogly.
Ayo, something traumatic happened that changed my life. Check.
Oh.